Hello children, welcome back in the third video of ninth lesson of EVS 2 Pratapgarh makes history. In previous video, as we have learned, Adil Shah perturbed, the Khan accepts the challenge, Swaraj in danger, Afzal Khan's counter move and the meeting place. Today we are going to learn before the meeting, the struggle with the Khan, the rout of the Afzal Khan's army. Now we'll go one by one. Before the meeting, on the day of the meeting, Shivaji visited Bhavani's temple in the morning and took darshan. Soon after, he started putting on his ceremonial clothes. He wore the sarwar and coat of mail. Over the coat of mail, he wore a kurta and a flowing robe. On his head, he placed a zero tope. Zero tope is nothing but a steel helmet and tied a mandal around it. He fitted Vagnak onto the finger of his left hand. Hidden inside the left sleeves was a bichua. See, all these things, whatever I said, is there in the picture. As you know, whenever Shivaji go for any task, he first go to the Bhavani's temple to take her blessing. Then he go outside to accomplish his task. So to meeting with this Afzal Khan, as he know he cannot trust on the words of Afzal Khan, he planned to dress up very well so that if he attack from the back, then he will be safe. So what he has done, he wore his sarwar and coat. See, coat of mail it is given, it is made up of metal which protect any soldier from the attack. Then on that coat of mail he wore his kurta, because he is going to meet a special person of Mughal, Adil Shah's court. He was a Sardar, great Sardar of Bijapur. So he has to dress up in a ceremonial clothes. On his head he have a steel helmet. Steel helmet under his turban. Turban means that mandal it is given. Mandal is nothing but turban. तो एक पगड़ी की जैसी टोपी बनी वाली होती है, देखो राजा महाराजाओं की, खासकर शिवाजी के आपने फ़ोटोज़ में देखा है कि वो एक टोपी पहनते हैं, उसके नीचे उन्होंने पहना था ये हेलमेट. He fitted Vagnak. Vagnak is nothing but tiger claws, consisting of an iron finger grip with 4 razor claws, which he concealed within his clenched fist, and he hidden a bichua inside the left sleeves of his kurta, and carried the dandpatta. It is given here, dandpatta. So he was ready to face the Khan. See, here is a photo, image of Shivaji's meeting with Afzal Khan. When he entered in the Shamina, how Afzal Khan get up to embrace the Shivaji. All the Sardars were waiting outside. Shivaji turned to them and said, "Friends, each one of you must carry out of the duties assigned to you. I am sure the goddess Bhavani will see that we succeed. But if things go wrong and I am killed, do not lose heart. Install Sambhaji on the Gadi. Follow the commands of Ma Sahib. Fight for Swaraj and extend its boundaries. Make the subjects happy. I shall go now to meet the Khan." See, this is what we call a responsible leader. Before going for a task, he knows what instruction he has to give to the people to whom he was leaving to take care of his fort. What he said to the people, whatever duties you have been assigned, you have to do that with whole heart. I know, I am very much sure that Goddess Bhavani help us to succeed. But see, nothing will happen, like there is a chances of 0.11% also whether we'll get succeed or not, though you have planned everything perfectly, but we don't know na what God has decided. So that was the reason Shivaji said to his Sardars who are waiting outside. What he said, if things go wrong and I am killed, is he going to meet Afzal Khan alone? So don't lose your heart, don't get panic. What you have to do, you have to install Sambhaji. Who was Sambhaji? Sambhaji was the son of Shivaji. Sambhaji on the Gadi, and follow the commands of Ma Sahib. As you all know, Shivaji every time whenever he go outside to accomplish any task, he first consult his mother. He discuss with her and then only he take out a step. So he said, install Sambhaji on the Gadi and follow the commands which has been given by Ma Sahib. Fight for Swaraj and extend its boundary. We have to spread ourselves. Our boundary should be spread all over the Maharashtra, and make sure that the subjects will happy. Here subjects are people. People are said as subject. I shall go now to meet the Khan. He was accompanied by his Vakil Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards, including Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kavaji, Yasuji Kanak, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim, and others. So, how many people accompanied him? His Vakil Pantaji Gopinath and 10 bodyguards. In 10 bodyguards, who were there? Jivaji Mahala, Sambhaji Kavaji, Yasuji Kanak, Krishnaji Gaikwad, Siddhi Ibrahim. When Shivaji reached the Shamiana, he saw that the Khan was already arrived. He was busy planning his future moves. Standing by his side was an armed soldier, Bada Sayyid by name. He was highly skilled in the use of Danpatta. Now Shivaji left the court and come to the meeting place where the Shamiana was placed. Before reaching Shivaji, already Khan arrived. And what he was doing? He was planning with his soldiers, armed soldiers. Who is standing by his side? Bada Sayyid. And he was a very skilled person in use of Danpatta. Shivaji came to the entrance of the Shamiana, but on seeing Bada Sayyid, he stopped and would not proceed further. The Khan asked Shivaji's Vakil, why Shivaji stood at the entrance instead of coming in. Shivaji reached at the entrance of the Shamiana, but when he saw Bada Sayyid was standing beside Afzal Khan, he stopped over there. He didn't enter the Shamiana. Then Afzal Khan only asked Vakil, why Shivaji didn't enter? Then what was the Vakil's reply? See, he is afraid of Bada Sayyid. Please ask him to go away. This was the words of the Vakil. Bada Sayyid moved away and Shivaji stepped in. When Vakil gave this answer that he was afraid of Bada Sayyid, please ask him to go away. Bada Sayyid, leave the place, leave the Shamiana. And then Shivaji stepped in. The Khan got up and said, "Come, Shivaji Raje, let us embrace each other as a mark of our friendship." बहुत ऐसा बोलते ना, जैसे दोस्त का स्वागत कर रहा है वो, ऐसे खड़े होके खुशी खुशी, आओ शिवाजी, चलो आज हम गले लगे, ऐसे दोस्त के जैसा, ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. Now let us see the struggle with the Khan. Shivaji Maharaj cautiously took a step forward and the Khan took him in his embrace. Embrace means हग करना, गले लगाना. शिवाजी बहुत सोच समझ के आगे एक स्टेप बढ़ाते हैं, खान की तरफ जाते हैं और खान उनको अपने गले लगाने के लिए आगे बढ़ता है. Compared to the giant Khan, Shivaji was short. He reached only as far as the Khan's chest. At the same moment, the Khan held Shivaji's neck in his iron grip and stabbed him on the side with his dagger. It tore apart Shivaji's robe, but the coat of mail underneath saved him. Shivaji, knowing that the Khan was trying to kill him, quickly thrust the Vagnaks in the Khan's stomach, drawing out the bichua with his right hand. He drove it into the Khan's stomach and tore apart his guts. See, no doubt Shivaji was very right and his advisors was also right that we can't have a trust on Afzal Khan. When he opened his arm to embrace Shivaji, he was very tall, and Shivaji, he came till his chest only. As soon as he embraced Shivaji, what he has done? He hold his neck, Shivaji's neck, because his hands are very strong, so it was told that iron grip, and stab on his side with his dagger. What he has done? On the side of the Shivaji, he stabbed, जोर से अटैक किया ड्रैगर से. ड्रैगर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिससे है ना आप किसी को क्या बोलते हैं, फाड़ सकते हो. इट टोर अपार्ट शिवाजी's robe. क्या होता है, जैसे वो अटैक करता है, शिवाजी का जो ऊपर का रोब होता है, जो कोट होता है, वो फट जाता है. लेकिन उन्होंने अंदर से क्या पहना था? यस, मेटल मेल, कोट ऑफ मेल. उसकी वजह से उनका बचाव हो जाता है. और जैसे ही शिवाजी को समझ में आता है कि हाँ ये मुझे मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ही टुक आउट द वागना एंड थर्स्ट द इन द खान स्टमक. एक हाथ में उन्होंने वागना को छुपा के ही रखा था, वो सीधा उसके पेट में डालते हैं और दूसरे हाथ से बिछुआ निकाल के उसको अटैक करते हैं दूसरे स्टमक पे, जिससे कि पूरा उनका पेट फट जाता है, खान का पेट फट जाता. द वोंडेड खान फेल डाउन. खान्स वकील कृष्णाजी भास्कर came forward and attacked Shivaji with his sword. अब ये लहू लुहान होके खान तो गिर जाता है. जो खान का वकील है, जो दूर से देख रहा था, वो अचानक आके शिवाजी पे अटैक करता है. बट शिवाजी killed him with one stroke of the danpatta. When Bada Sayyid heard the shout and noise, he rushed into the Shamana. As he was about to strike Shivaji, Jivaji Mahala came between them and killed Bada Sayyid with one stroke. Because of Jiva, Shiva was saved. See, this is a Marathi proverb. Children, remember. जीवा के कारण शिवा का बचाव हुआ. अब जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि एक हाथ से बिछुआ और एक हाथ से वागनाग दोनों का अटैक करके खान का तो पेट फट जाता है शिवाजी के थ्रू, लेकिन इनकी आवाज़ सुन के खान का वकील आता है कृष्णाजी भास्कर. वो जैसे ही अटैक करने जाता है शिवाजी पे, शिवाजी उसको एक दंडपट्टे के वार से मार गिरा देते. जब ये सब होता है तो थोड़ा बहुत शोर तो होता है, और ये सब शोर सुन के, मार धाड़ की आवाज़ सुन के, जो बड़ा सैयद बाजू खड़ा था बाहर, वो अंदर आता है शामियाने के. और जैसे ही अंदर आता, उसे समझ जाता कि कुछ गड़बड़ है. उसने शिवाजी पे अटैक करता है, लेकिन शिवाजी पे अटैक करने के पहले ही जीवाजी महाला, जो शिवाजी का ही एक सोल्जर है, वो बड़ा सैयद को मार गिराता है एक ही बार में. और क्या बोल गए? बिकॉज ऑफ जीवा शिवा वॉज सेव्ड. संभाजी कावजी displayed great bravery in this conflict. Sambhaji Kavji, he also played a great bravery in this conflict. See, in this picture it was clearly shown how Shivaji was killing, and from all the sides the people are coming to attack. Maybe Jivaji Mahalas, Bada Sayyid. This is Vakil, I think so, in pink color robe. Vakil is there. Okay. The rout of the Afzal Khan. Here rout means, children, rout is nothing but disorderly fallback of the defeat troops. भगदड़ मच जाना. कहाँ पर भगदड़ मचती है? अफजल खान की आर्मी में. कैसे और क्यों? चलो हम देखते हैं. Thus with triumph Shivaji went up to the fort. Thus with triumph. Triumph means with great achievement. The triumph means great achievement. Shivaji went up to the fort. The gun boomed and gave the signal. Now Afzal Khan has died, Bada Sayyid has died. 75% or more than 75% Shivaji got a great achievement. So he went up to the fort and he boomed. He gave a signal by firing the gun that we got a great achievement. And when this incident happened, suddenly the Shivaji's troop, those who are hiding, they came out and attacked on Khan's army. The Khan's army was completely unprepared for the attack, because they don't know that Shivaji has planned all these things very smartly. They were like, okay, our Sardar is going to kill Shivaji and we have to carry Shivaji's dead body. But that was not the thing. So as they were unprepared, चारों तरफ भगदड़ मच गई. उनको अपनी जान की लाले पड़ गई, एक तरह से बोले तो. अफजल खान के आदमी लोग, आर्मी, वो सोचने लगे कि हम अपनी जान कैसे बचाएं, क्योंकि उनको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था कि एकदम अचानक अटैक होने से हम अपने आप को कैसे बचाएं और क्या करें. They could not even run away to save their lives. The Maratha troops chased them in hot pursuit and destroyed the whole of the Khan's powerful army. As Shivaji's army was planned, then they attacked on the Afzal Khan's army and they destroyed. Fazal Khan, Afzal Khan's son, he was also with Afzal Khan, but when he saw, he was scared of all this thing and he ran away, saving his life, who escaped with great difficulty and reached Bijapur. His account of the disastrous campaign spread gloom over the whole of Bijapur. ये जो जिस प्रकार अफजल खान इतना स्ट्रांग था, उसका बेटा डरपोक के जैसा भाग गया. हाईली अनसक्सेसफुल. डिजास्टर्स मीन्स हाईली अनसक्सेसफुल एंड ग्लूम मीन्स डार्कनेस. इनके हार की निराशा पूरे बीजापुर पे छा गई. किसके हार की? अफजल खान तो मर गया और फजल खान में वो गट्स थे नहीं कि वो अपने पूरे आर्मी को या कमांड कर पाए और शिवाजी को काउंटर अटैक दे के कुछ कर पाए. वो तो अपनी जान बचा के डरपोक के जैसा भाग गया. किस तरह से? शिवाजी thus humbled the most powerful Sardar of the Bijapur court. So at last Shivaji has defeated the most powerful Sardar of the Bijapur court. His fame spread everywhere. The songs of his exploits were heard in the hills and valleys of Sahyadris. I have said in starting only how the Pavadas, what are the Pavadas? In first lesson we have seen the Pavadas are nothing but the songs of the fame of Shivaji. That time people used to make a Pavadas to spread the Shivaji's fame everywhere. So all these songs were heard in the hills and valleys of Sahyadri. I think children, you have enjoyed this lesson and understood very well. Once again I am telling you, whatever words you come across, you have to take out the meaning and write in the textbook itself. In between I have said the meanings of all the words which I found it is difficult. Before concluding, let us see. This is the activity like Marathi proverbs or saying related to historical events. I have taken out two. जगात जर यशाचा मार्ग असेल तर तो मी शोधीन आणि नसेल तर मग मी स्वतः निर्माण करीन. This was the words said by Shivaji. What it means? If I get the successful path, it's okay. But if I didn't get, I'll find out and made myself and make myself. And this is the second, Siha Gela Gadala. And one we have seen in this lesson only. That is because of Jiva, Shiva was saved. जीवाच्या कारण शिव वाचवला. So all these are Marathi proverbs. You have to take out all these Marathi proverbs. This is the assignment for you to take out the Marathi proverbs and make a chart. Thank you, children.